These anime cooking videos are blowing up right now. Take a look at this account. One clip alone has pulled in 3.2 million views. Here's exactly how to make them yourself. First, head to the AI Century community on School and Open Classroom. Click Free Assets and find Anime Cooking Reel Skill. Click the download link below and grab the skill file for this niche. Next, open the Claude, click the plus icon, then go to Skills and click Manage Skills. Click Add and Upload Skills. Drag the .zip file in and save it. Start a new chat, type /anime cooking reel to attach the skills, then type Start and send it. It loads the skill and gives you 3 options. Let's start with Character Sheet. Upload a reference photo of the person you want as the cook, or you can describe it. It reads the photo back to you and asks you a few more questions, so simply pick what you prefer. It locks that into a character Bible, then writes the character sheet prompt. Full body views, close-up of the hands, all in the same hand-drawn 2D anime style. Copy that prompt. Head to OpenArt, click Create Image, and switch the model to Nano Banana 2. Paste it in, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and the resolution to 2K, then click Generate. You get the full character sheet from the front, 3/4, and side, plus the hand detail. Back in Claude, type the dish you want. I typed, "Make me a reel with ramen." It locks in a tonkatsu ramen reel. Then it asks what you're attaching. So let's type 4 for the character sheet we just generated. It writes out all 13 shots, from prepping the noodles to the final hero shot of the plated bowl. It locks the camera to hard cuts only, no handheld movement and natural noise, no music, no voiceover. Copy the prompt, switch to OpenArt's Video tab, switch the model to Seedance 2.0, attach the character sheet as the reference image, and paste the prompt in. Set the ratio to 9:16, the resolution to 720p, and the duration to 13 seconds. Turn audio on, then click Generate. You get the full ramen reel, twirling the noodles, draining them, having the soft egg, laying the chashu, reacting over the bowl, and finishing on the plated hero shot, start to finish. You'll find the skill file free in our community on School. Come join us, the link's in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.